fail to it. Like I would have started aiming her head at that way back here. Yeah. Say, look at it, see it. Look at it, see it. Close your legs, look at it, see it. Good, now tell her, look at it, see it. Don't be ditzy, don't worry more about the bugs than getting over the fence. There, go do them again, both of those two. You gotta be able to focus your hoods when they're being inattentive.